and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this box right here for you guys. I'm super excited because I have made it into the top 30 of the Nyx Face Awards this year. This just came in the mail like an hour ago, and I just put my makeup on, and now I'm ready to open this bad boy up. I am so excited because I don't know what's in this box, obviously. So let's just dive right in. So here it is. This is like so big. I have my trusty scissors, and let's just see what we got in here. Okay, girl, our sponsors today are Target Redken, Vichy Laboratory, Clarisonic, Powder Room D, Yobi, Kitsch, and Audio Network. Oh, I see Redken bad. Oh my god, let's see what's in here. Go over there for a minute. We got some beautiful tissue paper. Ooh, what is this? Heat restyling thermal setting spray. This is a finishing sheets for all hair types. And then we have a volumizing mousse for your hair. So, what is this? I feel a bag in here. This is what it looks like. Oh, they gave me a cute little calendar to mark out all my plans. They also gave me a cactus pen cup, aka a cactus makeup brush cup. Then they gave me a cactus corkboard organizer. If you guys knew, I love cactuses / succulents. I have a garden going on in my kitchen, so it's like they already know what I like. Get rid of that. We don't need that. Ooh, this is from Kitsch. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I just got like a ton of hair clips. Oh my god, I literally just bought these hair clips, but these are way better. Oh my goodness, I am ready to be a pro. Thank you so much. Oh, I need one of these. And oh girl, these alligator pins are my jam. I love these. And then we got some bigger alligator clips. We got some elastics. We got some bobby pins, gold ones for my hair. We got some super cute little bows. Oh, you know I love my bows. We got some squiggly cues. I don't know what those are for, but we'll use them for something. We got some bun things. Wow, these are creaseless bobby pins. We got some gold squiggly doodads, bun things. We got some more bobby pins. Wow, you guys really want to give me bobby pins. We got more bobby pins. Thank you. And then we got some more elastics. Wow, thanks guys. And then we got some hair clips. You already know I got a lot of hair, so you guys sent me a bunch. We got some larger bun shaper because you already know I got a ton of hair, so we're gonna need to use these. And then we got one more bun shaper. Oh my goodness, so many hair things. Thank you so much, Kitsch. This is great. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. All right, guys, so I have the next thing. It's in this little container right here. Vichy Laboratory. I like the packaging. It's pretty cute. Oh, yes, girl. You apply this to your face like a mist, kind of like the Mario Badescu sprays. Let's try it right now. Let's see what it does. Ooh. I already like that. They also sent me some makeup removers, which, you know, homegirl needs these. Skin hydrating boost. This is like a moisturizer, I think. They gave me a 3-in-1 face cleaner. The box is getting empty a little bit. All right, we have this right here. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's see what this is. This is a perfume from Target. Let's see how it smells. It's called Good Chemistry Bianchia. Ooh, that smells really good. It kind of smells like limes. We have a smaller thing. Let's see what this is. Oh, girl. I already know what this is. Please be something good. Oh, yes. Yes, queen. Yes. Thank you so much. I am so down for this. Yes, girl. Yes, 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 and 1,000 times yes. Yes, queen. Yes, girl, giving me this look. Oh, yes, girl, you already know. Pink wig. Yes, thank you. Oh, my God, this is the best thing in the whole package. Oh, my goodness. Thank you so much. This is so good. I can use this for my Trixie Mattel meetup thing that I'm going to. Oh, my God. I am so excited about this. Yes, so exciting. Oh, my God. I'm going to style this so good. Just wait and see. This is the last thing, and it is from Clarisonic. We got a Clarisonic. Yes! I actually have this one, so I have 2 now, so I think someone's gonna be getting the Clarisonic pretty soon in my household. So thank you, Clarisonic. I love you. I love your Clarisonics. They're so good. All right, guys, so that is everything that came in my NYX Top 30 box. Thank you to Kitsch, Vinci, Powder Room D, Yobi, Redkin, obviously NYX Cosmetics. Thank you so much for sending me all this. I cannot wait to find out what the challenge is, and I'm ready to show you what I'm made of. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!